You're in these little towns that you probably would never go to. You're out on a bike just experiencing the beauty of whatever country you're in. Just stuff you would just not do on your own.
The trip leaders on this tour are awesome.
You just get immersed in a culture. And I think a lot of that is the guides because they're from these areas.
They're very accommodating,
very knowledgeable,
take care of every need.
They're very flexible. It's always really, really well-run trips.
I want it to be as easy as it can be, and they take care of everything.
They put you up in, great hotels. You're totally taken care of for the whole time you're with them.
I had luggage tags with my name on it. I have planned activities for the day. I honestly don't have to think about anything.
We can just fall out of the plane, and they will take care of us until we fall back into the plane.
No matter what your level of biking,
you feel very comfortable on these adventure experiences. It's all very natural and organic.
And when you're pedaling, you're smelling it, you're feeling it, you're really experiencing it in a totally different way than if you were on a train or a bus.
I think the personal touch is really important.
We enjoy meeting people who have similar interests, who like the bike, who are from all over the country. All of it contributes to this really great experience that you have with VBT.
When it comes to travel, I really care about how I spend my time and money. I've traveled with a lot of different companies, and with VBT, I know I'm getting the best value.